Do you want to know how smart you are? Or better yet, do you want to know how smart I am? Well, I mean, if you take this, you can find out how smart you are, and then you can compare it to how smart I am, because I think I'm going to be setting kind of the gold standard of how smart someone can actually be. So, my girl just took an IQ test just like a couple of minutes ago, and she was really smart. She's not looking at me. I want to make sure I'm thinking clearly, so I'm going to take a little shot. That was mezcal. That'll get my brains firing properly. All right, let's take this. I've never taken an IQ test. I don't even know how this works. Let's do this. Whew. Okay, instruction for the IQ test. You must work mentally. Don't really care. Next. Word mineral can be spelled using only the letters found in the word. Parliament. Yeah. The sequence of 4 words. Oh, there's a timer. Oh, shit. The sequence of 4 words, triangle, glove, block, glock. Well, glove, clock, bicycle corresponds to this sequence of numbers 3, 5, 12, 2. 3, 5, 12, 2. 3, 5, 12. Yeah. That makes sense. All right, 27 minutes before 7 o'clock is 33 minutes past 5 o'clock. Yeah, actually. Wait. Yeah. The word because can be spelled by using the first letters of the words in the following sentence. Because, yeah. If written backwards, the number 1,125 would be written 5,200, 1,125, 5,211. Yes. Are these all going to be true? Gary has only $48. If he borrows $57 from Jane and $15 from Jill, he can buy a bicycle that costs $120. Disregarding tax. 15, so that would be, what, 62? And then if he borrows 57, so that would be 110, 8. Yeah, it'd be 120. Wait, 115. So 50 plus 60 is 110, and then 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's only $110, so no, he shouldn't be able to do that. I'm gonna drink a little bit of water, because I feel like maybe taking that shot wasn't the best idea. If a round analog clock featuring numbers 1 through 12 is hung on the wall upside down, the minute hand will point to the right of the viewer when the clock reads 2:45. So it'd be 2:45, and if it's upside down, it'd be 2:45. Round clock featuring numbers 1 through 12 is hung on the wall upside down. The minute hand will point to the right of the viewer. Yeah, that makes sense. If the word Quan, I don't know what it is understood to mean the same word as den, then the following sentence is grammatically correct. Looking out from the Quan, I could see a wolf enter Quan. Wouldn't it be a Quan or the Quan? I might be thinking about this incorrectly, but I don't think that's true. If Richard looks into a mirror and touches his left ear with his right hand, Richard's image seems to touch his right ear with his left hand. Yeah. It's mirrored. If you leave the letters in the, I mean, technically it's, I'm going to take it for face value because no, it would still be the same thing. It's not like it switches or anything. If you leave the letters in the same order, but arrange the spaces in the phrase, them eats on, it can be read as theme at sun. Yeah. Each of the words auctioned, education, and caution use the same letters. Education. Yeah. 9 chickens, 2 dogs, and 3 cats have a total of 40 legs. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 times 4. Now that's 160. 16 hours are to 1 day as 20 days are to June's length. Oh gosh, I've always been the worst at months. I have no clue how many days are in a month. April, June has September, 54, and contender. 16 hours are to 1 day, as 20 days are to June's length. June, how many days are in June? 30? Hey, I'm gonna go false on this one, but no, the last 2 were false. I'm gonna go true. I don't know how many days are in June. I've never been good on it. In the English alphabet, there are exactly 4 letters between the letter M and the letter G. No, but it's GM, not MG. 4 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now there's 6. If the word tan is written under the word sly, then the word tot is written under tan. Then the word sat is formed diagonally. Sly, tan, tot. No, it'd be steta? Oh, diagonally. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I thought it meant vertically. By removing seven letters from the word motherhood, the word home can be found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need to leave out 3, or only have 3. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. If a thumb is a finger, then 3 gloves and 3 shoes normally hold 35 fingers and toes. If a thumb, I don't have a thumb on my foot though. Wait, no, if a thumb is a finger, this isn't a thumb. I only have 2 thumbs, then 3 gloves. So cut out the shoes. So 3 gloves would be 30. 30. No, what? No, that doesn't make any sense. The words every, how, hand, ever can form common compound words using respectively one, every, ever, finger, more. The words every, how, hand, ever can form common compound words. I have no idea. No, I don't think so. I don't know what that one means. I've been going for 7.5 minutes. Fred will be 4 blocks from his starting place if he travels 2 blocks north, then 3 blocks east, then 2 blocks south. So from his starting point, he goes 2 blocks north, 1, 2, 3 blocks east, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 blocks south, 1, 2, 4 blocks. No, he's like 2 blocks from it. The following words are the opposite of words that begin with the letter R. Real. What? Bursary? Rasp? Rind? What? No, I don't even know what that means. The following disregarding punctuation is spelled the same for words as it is backward. Todd erases a red dot. Todd scissor dot. No! The letters of the word sponged appear in reverse alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, N, O. Yeah, that's right. The odd numbers in this group add up to an even number. Oh, right. 15, 20, 33, 41. Is 1 an odd number? No, it's not. So no, that's not right. Without breaking or bending a toothpick, you can spell the word thin with exactly 7 toothpicks with no letter sharing a toothpick used by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 toothpicks? Yeah. A square whose sides each measures 10 centimeters can completely fit inside a regular hexagon whose sides each measures centimeters. A hexagon. That's 6 sides. No, I don't think it would because the corners would poke out. Oh wait, no, if you did it at an angle. Ooh. I'm gonna go with just initial false. 6 identical triangles can be formed by drawing 2 straight lines through an octagon center point. An octagon. How would that make 6 identical? Unless you're doing multiple lines. 2 straight lines. Oh, 2 straight lines. If anything, that's only going to make 4, so no. The number 64 is the next logical number in the following sequence of numbers 2, 6, 14, 30. I have no freaking clue. Sure. Robert is taller than John. Charlie is taller than Robert. Therefore, John is the shortest of the 3. Robert is taller than John. Charlie is taller than Robert. Robert is taller than John. Charlie is taller than Robert. Yeah, okay. The sum of all odd numbers from 0 to 16 is an even number. Oh my gosh. No, because if you add all odd numbers, it's never an odd number, right? No, that's not true. I'm going to go out on a whim on this one. I'm just going to make a guess. True. Sure. It's right. It's the time. I think being timed is what's stressing me out and making me go quicker than I should, but I'm going to be so smart. I don't even need this. I don't even need that one. That one's crap. I don't even need that answer. You know what? I could just skip like 5 of these. I'll be fine. If each of 7 persons in a group shakes hand with each of other 6 persons, then a total of 42 handshakes have occurred. 7 persons shake with 6 would be 42. Yes. 3 congruent regular hexagons can be drawn in such a way that all of them overlap each other and create more than 6 distinct areas or compartments. What? Oh yeah, because if you put 4 hexagons... Wait, how many are there? How can you get 6? Nah, I don't think that. I think that's bullcrap. If a donut-shaped... Is my mic still going? If a donut-shaped house has 2 doors... Why is the mic coming in on both sides? I hope this doesn't sound like crap. If a donut-shaped house... Oh, shoot. Wait, I still have time. I can go back and check those. Okay. If a donut-shaped house has 2 doors to the outside and 3 doors to the inner courtyard, is the donut upright or is it laying down though? Then it's possible to end up back at your starting place by walking through all 5 doors of the house without ever walking through the same door twice. Can you walk just through the hallways of it? Like if it's okay, I'm assuming the donut's on the ground like this. And if there's 2 doors to the outside and 3 doors to the inner courtyard, can't you just walk in and go around and come out the other one? Just come back at your starting place by walking through all 5 doors of the house without ever walking through the same door. Well, if you're here, say the donut's on the ground, and you enter this one, walk down the hallway, come to this door, go through that door, come over here, go through that. Okay, so you go in, come out, go in. Oh, no, because you can't, once you're in the courtyard, if you want to hit all doors, you can't come out. Unless you parachuted in from an airplane and you land in the middle, and then you go from the courtyard into the donut. You could do that. I'm going to say false. Name. Email. Don't look. You completed intelligent profiles to being generated and can be assessed immediately for only $14.95. Okay, so they do email you it. That's what I was told. Before we look this up though, or before I look at it, I'm going to look up real quick. What is average IQ? I don't even know what that is. So average. Okay, so average IQ is between 85 and 114. Gosh, I hope I get at least close to 85. That's all I care about. All right, let's click on this. Thank you for taking the IQ test. Your IQ is 120. Wow, did you hear that? 120. I told you I was smart. Gosh dang it. What's 120? That's above average. I am between 115 and 129. I am above average. I'm not quite gifted. I'm not that special, but damn if I ain't close. Let's go, baby. 120. Read it and weep. That shot, I tell you, the shot of Mescal definitely helped. It gets your fires braining, yeah, 120. Anyway, if you want to take the IQ test and see that you are going to be dumber than me, because that's inevitable. What did that say? Gifted. I'm special. I'll put the link down below. Obviously, take it if you want to, and just know that this has nothing to do with how smart you are. It's just a stupid test, and it has nothing to do with common sense or anything. And some of those, probably I would say about 20 of those, I just guessed, and it's a 50-50 chance that you get it right. So if you take it, it doesn't mean anything. It's just for fun. But anyway, thanks for watching, and let me know if you take it. Put your scores down there. And no one's gonna know if you add a few numbers. If I look at my 150, holy cow, I'm specially gifted.